Hey guys, I'm so excited to share this States of Matter journey through the anime style with you. Like, seriously, I never thought I'd be this pumped about solids, liquids, and gases, but here we are. Okay, so let's start with the basics. The three states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. You know what I mean? It's kinda like the three musketeers of the physical world. Solids are the tough guys. They keep their shape no matter what container you put them in. Think of them as the stubborn ones of the bunch. Liquids, on the other hand, are the chill ones. They're like, whatever, man. And gases, they're like the ultimate free spirits. They just go with the flow and fill up whatever space they're in. Let's dive into solids, shall we? First up, we have a cube of ice. It's like the poster child for solids. It's got a definite shape, volume, and weight. Next, we've got a rock. It's basically the OG solid. It's been chilling in its shape for who knows how long. And lastly, we have a metal paperclip. It's small but mighty, keeping its shape even when you bend it. Moving on to liquids. Let's start with the OG liquid, water. Pour it into a glass and it's like, cool, I'll just take this shape now. It's do not have a definite shape but have a definite volume and weight. Now let's talk about oil. It's got that same liquid vibe, taking on the shape of its container, and juice, same deal. Whether it's in a fancy crystal glass or a plastic cup, it's still the same amount of juice. Liquids are like the shapeshifters of the matter world, always adapting but never losing their true selves. Alright, time for the wild child of matter, gases. Let's start with a balloon filled with helium. It's like the ultimate party trick, right? The helium takes up all the space in the balloon, giving it that round shape. It's do not have a definite shape and volume, but have a definite weight. Lastly, it can be compressed. Then we've got air in a scuba tank. It's all squished in there, but the moment you open that valve, it's like freedom. And don't even get me started on steam from a boiling pot. It's water having an identity crisis, spreading out and up, trying to take over the whole kitchen. Now I know what you're thinking. What about light and sound? Aren't they matter too? Well, plot twist. They're actually forms of energy, not matter. I know, right? Mind blown. Light is like this super fast energy that zooms through space. Sound is kinda similar. It's energy that travels through matter as waves. You can hear it, but you can't like scoop it up or weigh it. So while light and sound are super important in our world, they're not invited to the matter party. They're more like the DJs, providing the energy that keeps everything moving. Okay, so how do we actually measure these states of matter? Let's start with solids. To measure the volume of a solid, we can use a ruler. It's like playing 3D Tetris. We measure the length, width, and height, then multiply them together. Boom! We've got the volume. For irregular shapes, we can use the water displacement method, which is a fancy way of saying dunk it in water and see how much water it pushes out. Now, for weight, we've got our trusty scale. Put the solid on it and voila! We know how heavy it is. It's like judging a sumo wrestler, but with less sweating and more science. Moving on to liquids, measuring them is like a fun kitchen experiment. We use measuring cups or graduated cylinders. You know, those tall, skinny glasses with lines all over them. Yeah, those. Pour in the liquid, and wherever the surface touches, that's your volume. For weight, we can still use our trusty scale. But here's a cool trick. Weigh the empty container first, then weigh it with the liquid. Subtract the first number from the second, and bam! You've got the weight of just the liquid. It's like magic, but with math. Now, gases are like sneaky ninjas of measurement. One way to outsmart them is using a balloon. For more precise measurements, we use special tools like gas syringes or flow meters. Weighing gases is super tricky because they're so light. It's like trying to weigh a feather in a hurricane. In solids, the molecules are like friends huddled together at a scary movie. Liquids are more like a dance floor. Molecules are close but can move around. And gases, they're like a mosh pit at a rock concert. Molecules bouncing everywhere. Understanding matter is super important because everything around us is matter. Except light and sound, but they're cool too. If you enjoyed this anime-style science adventure, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe.